Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how the Greek Empire fell. We'll explore the key factors that led to the decline of the Hellenistic kingdoms, which emerged after Alexander the Great's death. Understanding these historical shifts helps us grasp the complex interplay of military, political, and economic forces that shaped the ancient world. It's a fascinating story of power, ambition, and eventual transformation. As the Greek kingdoms weakened, a new formidable power was rising in the West, the Roman Republic. Rome's disciplined legions and strategic brilliance allowed them to conquer vast territories. Their growing dominance inevitably led to confrontations with the Hellenistic world, setting the stage for a major shift in regional power dynamics. This period marked a significant turning point in ancient history. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really supports us. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're conquering an empire or just your weekly meals. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Rome systematically dismantled the Hellenistic kingdoms through a series of decisive wars. The Macedonian Wars, for example, crushed the power of Macedon. Later, the Achaean War brought mainland Greece under Roman control. Finally, with the defeat of Cleopatra and Mark Antony at Actium, Egypt, the last independent Hellenistic state, became a Roman province. This completed Rome's dominance. Beyond military defeat, internal weaknesses played a crucial role. Constant warfare among the Hellenistic kingdoms drained their treasuries and populations. Over time, Greek culture and administration began to integrate with Roman systems, leading to a gradual loss of distinct political identity. The shift from independent kingdoms to Roman provinces fundamentally altered the region's trajectory for centuries to come.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.